This conference will now be recorded.
Recording. So ER structure is completed, right?
Okay, sir.
Now,
Thank you.
can you be mute yourself?
1 minute.
So if you have any doubts, please unmute and let me know that. Okay, right. So ER structure is completed. Today we will be learning about master data. Master data. What is this master data? What is this master data? So let me show you master data here. See here, what is this master data is saying for us? Master data is saying that SAP R3 works on the real-time data. It works on the real-time data. The first point is it works on the real-time data. The meaning of this real-time data is if SAP MM consultant, okay, posting any activity in the SAP system, immediately the other modules like SAP PICO consultant or SD consultant or HR consultant. There are different modules as in SAP MM. As I told you, there are 35 modules as in SAP MM, right? So this data, what is this data? If SAP MM consultant posting means he is doing something XYZ. So immediately it is other reflected to the other module people. That is called real-time data. For example, let me give a small example. What is, like, let's take Google Pay, right? If I am paying to you amount, some amount like 1.1 rupees, yes or no? Immediately what happens? It reflects, yes or no? It reflects on the other person's bank, yes or no? It immediately reflects. That is called real-time data. Immediately it is reflecting to the other person modules. So this is a small example for us, right? Next point here. So this is the point. There is no time lag between the data entry, data availability. There is no time. So this is, if you see here, just now I said if I did any payment transaction, immediately it is reflecting. There is no lag of time, means immediately it is done. It is updated into the other person accounts. There is no lag between the time. No lag for the time. Yes or no? Immediately reflected. Next point. So the important thing while creating any data in the maintain is integrity. Integrity means, what is the meaning of integrity? Integration. Integration means what? Different peoples are integrated with one person. Means
Yes.
SAP MM, PICO, SD, HR, ABAP. If MM is doing something, immediately reflected to the FICO person. How it is reflected? Because it has an integration. Integration in the single system. What is that single system here? SAP system here. Because everyone using the SAP system, common system. SAP is a common system. I'll also give you a small example like Facebook. Everyone is using the Facebook. I have a different account, you have a different account, everyone is using a different account. But in Facebook, if I logged in and if I post some photo, so related to my friends who is in the Facebook, it will be immediately reflected to him because of
Yes.
integration. That person is integrated in my Facebook, right, into my
Yes.
account. I have like invited him, or else even sometimes other person can also see that one. So that is called an integration here. And the second point, see here, master data, data that is created centrally. Data is created centrally.
Then
That is the reason it is reflected to every module of the people. Central, like hall is our central. It is reflected to everyone, the guest, the friends who is coming from kitchen, anyone, the ladies, gents, or anything else. It is a centralized one. Centralized one means it is immediately affected to the other members also. So
yes.
that is
Okay.
called the central, and it is valid for the all applications. All applications means FI people, SD people, HR people, ABAP people, or any other people who, because they are all commonly integrated with our single system, that is called SAP system. So it means that constant over some time, this master data information, getting my point? What is that?
Master data.
Yeah, whatever we are posting,
We are
what
posting.
whatever we are posting or creating, yes or no, creating in the SAP system, right? It can be anyone, or SD or FI or HR and other modules as people, right? If they created something in the master information, master, right? So what happens in master means will
Show the
remain it will remain for some time. It will remain for some time. Yes or no? For example,
Yes.
let me give a small example, right? Let me open my computer, that is nothing but my system. Yes or no? Let
yeah.
me go to D drive. Yes or no? D drive,
Yeah. Hmm.
and let me open the uh, uh, Microsoft Word file, MS Word file. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
MS file. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
After that, after opening this MS Word, I I created the I created the resume. Yes or no? What I created? Resume.
Well,
Right? I opened, I resume, and in resume I filled some data. In resume, what is that? Resume,
data.
Data.
I filled some data. Filled some data. What
Yeah.
is the data? What is the data? Like my name. Yes or no?
Name,
My
address,
Yes.
qualification.
address
If
information.
I just
Qualifications.
put that, what is the resume, right? So I filled everything and I click on save. Yes or no? It is in
Yes.
my machine now. My machine. I I prepared my resume today. Yes or no? I prepared this resume today, and it will remain in machine. Yes or no? It will
Yes.
remain in my machine for some time. Yes or no? Until
Yes.
until again I open the resume. Yes or no?
Yes,
Resume
sir.
and update something. Yes or no? Maybe I
Yes.
added some fields, something. So till that my information is in the centrally, it is saved, right? Master data, that is called a master data. So that is the point we are discussing here. It remains constant over time for some time, but we need to update it on the regular basis. Yes or no? At least not today, my resume I am not updating today, but at least after 1 week again I will update my resume. Yes or no? After
Yes.
Yeah.
1 week, 1 week I will update my resume. Again after another 10 days or 15 days, once again I will update it. Yes or no? I
Yes,
will
sir.
update once again, like this. So this is what master data. Master data, the word itself telling that master data
Master.
means the data which is stored in a master for a certain time. For a certain
Oh,
time the data is stored, right? And
yes.
and which is commonly using that one. So that is the reason we are calling as a master data, right? So in master data, right? In master data of SAP MM, we have the following master datas. What is that? We have the following what master datas. What are those following master datas I have? In sense, one, it is a material master data. Yes or no? This is the first
Yes.
one. Second one, what is the second one? We have vendor master data. Clear? Vendor master. Third one, what we have? PIR. What is this PIR means? Purchase info record. Clear? Fourth
Yes.
one we have like source list. Okay. Fifth one
Yes.
we have quota arrangement. Getting my point? So in this
Yes.
way, we have few master data sets in our SAP. What is that? Few master data sets in our SAP. So today we will be learning about, today we will be learning about today we will be learning about
Today,
we will be
learning
learning
about
the what?
ma-
Material
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 master.
material master data.
Yes.
Okay, or
Okay,
master data or record,
sir.
right?
Okay,
So
sir.
next question is how we create this material master data in the SAP system, right? Can you tell me who will create this master data?
SAP.
Who is starting a company, creating a company? That person will be
MM consultant.
consultant.
Very good. Arun is right. SAP MM consultant means that is we. Yes or no? We are the MM consultant, material man. So we are going to create this one. Who is going to
Okay.
create this material means MM consultant will be creating this one, right?
Interface structure, sir.
Huh?
FICO people. Interface structure is created by FICO people, sir.
No. Enterprise structure will be created by both. Both means FICO as well as MM people. FI
Okay.
people and MM people.
But the material master data will be created by
Only
MM
MM.
only.
Yes, MM only. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So for example, I don't know, you are like, let me tell you here, ER structure, right? What is ER structure we have? First, we should create the company,
Company.
right?
Company.
Next, we should create the
Company code.
company code. Next, we should do the assigning the company
Go to
To the
company.
company.
code to the company. Yes or no? So
Yes, sir.
these three above activities is what is it?
These
These
three are diseases
these three above activities are
are
being
done by
done by SAP
and
FICO consultant. Okay,
Yes.
FICO consultant. Getting my point?
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We have other things. Yes. What is that?
And
Plant.
plant.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Storage,
Storage.
Purchase.
location,
Purchase
location.
organization.
Okay, storage location,
Yes.
purchase organization, purchase group. So this above all will be created, and assigning also, assignings. Yes or no? All will
Yes.
be created by SAP MM
Yes, sir.
consultant. Clear? This
Yes,
topic
sir.
is clear.
Yes, sir.
So this you should know this one. In the same way, my question is something like the same here. Who will create this master data? Who is creating here? SAP consultant is creating in the SAP system. In our SAP, who will be creating? Right. Next one. How? Who will be creating? Right. How we will create now? Who will be creating? It is a answer is SAP MM consultant. How we will create this master data? No, master data in the SAP MM. How we will create? Yes or no?
Yes,
So
sir.
we can, I mean, means SAP MM consultant will do the configuration. What is that?
Configuration.
MM will do the configuration, right?
Yes, sir.
After configuration is done, the SAP MM end user will use this to create the materials. Getting my point? After creating or else after configuration by the SAP MM consultant, we will give it to the end users. So end user will be creating the materials. Okay, end user. Let us see now how we do the configuration. Getting my point? Let us see how we will do the configuration. Configuration of the configuration of the material
master data.
right?
Master.
So there are, what is this? There are 4 steps that we need to follow to configure the
master data.
material master data. No, right? Not master data. It is a material master data. Material master data. First step 1. Yes or no? What is that? Step 1. We are creating industry sector. What is that? First step is industry sector. Next one is step 2. What is the step 2?
Industry sector.
Material types. What is that?
Material
types.
Type.
Next one is step 3. What is step 3? Number range for the material. Okay. Step 4. Material group. Clear? So these are the 4 steps that we need to do. First one, right? 4 steps. What is the T code for this one? Industry sector.
T code. Is there?
No, sir.
OMS3. Yeah. OMS3. Yes. 3 is the T code for creating the
Industry sector.
industry sector. Material type OMS2. Okay. And number range is the MMNR. Okay. And material group is OMSF. OMSF. So these are the T codes. These are the T codes for doing configuration. Or else we can do by the the same above, right? Steps. We can do it by the By the, see here, by the T codes or the path. Okay, either we can use it by the T code or the path. Right, let us do now first industry sector. How we to do the industry sector? Control C. Step 1. Step 1. Okay, industry sector. So here is my T code, and I'll also tell you the path. Wait, I'll also tell you the path. So here you can see the path. This is the path. Control C, and I am pasting this path here. Okay. Step 1. See, I will try to show you both by path and as well as the T code. So I'm taking this OMS3 T code and opening my right SAP system. Close. Okay. Okay. Right. So slash n. This is a fresh machine. Yes or no? Fresh one. Right? Slash n. So here I'm giving OMS3. Just you can type as OMS3 T code. This is the T code, transaction code, to create the industry sector. So I am entering here OMS3 and press entering. See, here I can write as steps. Yes or no? Steps. First, what I did, opened the SAP system. Yes or no? Fresh system. Next step, what I did, second step, in the T box, that is called T box. So what I did, entered the T code. What is the T code I entered? OMS3. Okay, I entered. So if I entered, what happened? What happened here? If I entered, means this is displayed. What is that? Change view industry sector. Screen is displayed for me.
Okay.
This page, directly I went to that page. What is my page name here? Change view industry sector. What is that? Change view
Missionary
industry sector.
sector overview. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Overview screen is displayed. Clear?
Yes.
This is one way. This is one way. Now let me, fourth step. Now let me enter /n. Yes or no? And
Yeah.
what I'm doing here, I entered here and I typed as /n and press enter. Again, I came to the first page. Yes, sir. I came to the first screen. Now I am in the first
Screen.
Yes or no? Now,
Yes, sir.
sixth point. What I'm doing now? Now instead of going by a T code, I'm going by this path. I'm going by the path. Right. Seventh one. What is my path? Here you can see the path. I'm just keeping down here. You can see the follow the path. First path is the SPRO. So type the here SPRO and press enter. Right. First step is done. Next one is IMG. IMG means this one. SAP reference IMG.
Implementation, right?
Right. Which one? Highlight this one. SAP reference IMG.
Okay.
Clicked on it, right? Next,
Yes.
what is my third point here? I should click on the
Logistic
logistic
general.
general. So let me search for the logistic general here. See here. So it is controlling something. Logistic general is here. Yes or no?
Yes.
Let me highlight this one. Yes or no? Logistic
Yes, sir.
general. Now let me click on this greater than symbol. Okay. This is to see the tree structure. What is in, I mean, under the logistic general? What is under the logistic general? Okay. Next,
Yes.
what is this one? Under logistic general, I have to go to the master
Master material.
material. So let me see where is the master material. This is this one, material master or master material, right?
Mm.
Let me once again highlight this one. Okay.
Okay.
Now click. So again, I need to click on this symbol, greater than symbol,
Be the master.
right? So
Yes.
once I'm here, what is the next step? It is a field
Selection.
selection. Yes or no? Where is my
Yes.
field selection? It is here.
Yes.
Field selection. All right.
Yes.
Now again, I need to go to the field selection. What is the next step here? Define
Define
industry
industry.
sector and industry sector specific field. That is nothing but here in bracket I wrote it is a third one, just to understand.
Third one.
First, second,
Yes.
third one. Getting my point? Define industry sector and the specific field. So again, let me highlight this one, the third one. Clear?
Okay.
Right. Because I'm recording, that's the reason you can see later on easily. Now,
Okay.
yes. Now here, if you see that the greater than symbol is no more here, right? So we have only
Yes.
two icons. This is for the transaction. This is for the transaction. Means
Right.
you have to click on this, right? If you see here,
Yes.
the same page we are. With OMS3 also, I reached here. And
Yes.
with this path also, I reached here. What is the difference?
Yes.
Nothing is the differences. End of the day, the target is the same, but T code is helping us to directly going to that page. T code
Yes.
is helping me with a single step. I'm directly going to that page. With the path, I should navigate with the multiple steps. With the multiple steps, I should come across, right? I have done,
Yes.
you have seen that one, SPRO, IMG, right? Logistic and everything step by step I went. And again, end of the day, I reached to the same page now. All right. Now here,
Yes.
I should click on new entry. I should click on new entry.
Yep.
So what I should see in sense, one precaution that you need to take care is, so here there are some industry sectors, like 0 to 1. See here. Next point. Here we have 0 to 9 and A to Z and SPE special characters. What is that? Characters.
Okay.
Getting my point? Characters.
Yes.
Means, what is the meaning in sense? You can use any one from the above, any one in between this one, 0 to 9 or A to Z or any of the special character, any
Okay.
one of the character you can use. And the another point is, you should condition, you cannot use the reserved, yes or no, reserved
Yes.
reserved, here I can say industry sector, reserved industry
Industry.
sector. Means if someone used that one, yes or no, if someone
Yes.
used, for example here, if someone here, the 3 character number is used by someone else. Getting my
Yes.
point? It is used by someone.
Yes.
It is simple as, like, you're going to buy any movie ticket. If someone purchased that particular seat, obviously you cannot book that slot, right? It is occupied by someone else. It is the meaning of this one. It is occupied by the someone else. The same way is applicable here also. Means if someone chooses something, so you cannot use that one. You should use the
Yes.
So here, if I see here, there is no 2 and 1. 2 and 1 is not there here, right? So I can use 2 or 1 or any of the character A to Z or special character. So let me use any one thing. So let me try with the 2. Let me try with the 2. So I should click on new entry. See here what I did here now. 10th one, right? I clicked on new entries. Yes or no? Here it is asking me for the industry sector. Yes or no? So what I thought of giving 2. I thought of giving the 2 here. So I will give you the 2 here. Clear? Next point. 12th point. What is that? Industry description. Industry description. Industry. So here description means you can give anything your choice as you like. So what I will do here in sense, as we are giving some TikTok, yes or no? TikTok industry, like this. Okay. So I'm using the same TikTok industry. I'm copying here. All right. Next one. 13th one. What is that? It is asking me for the field reference. That's or no? So field references, we should choose the M. We should choose the M. Why M in sense? Because we are creating for this is for the material. This is for the material. So that's the reason we are giving the field reference as M. Clear? Field reference. And now you need to click on save button. Control yes. After this is done, the 14th step is click on the CTRL plus yes. Nothing but it is nothing but save button. Yes or no? So click on the save. It is done. Means this you get the message called 15th one. Prompt for the customizing.
Successfully updated.
Yes, successfully updated request. Okay, you should understand that it is successfully done. Okay, now you need to press enter here. So this is done, right? Remember what is your industry sector means? It is 2. We should remember, right? Now here you can click on back.
3.
This is done. First step is done. Step 1 is done. So this is I'm closing this one. Yes or no?
Okay, sir.
Let me go up now and see what is my second step. What is my second step? It is a material type. Step 2. The same way I can also do it by the path and I can also do it by the T code. Yes or no? What is my T code for material types? OM S2 is the T code to create what is that I can say? To create the material types. Okay, types. OM S2 is my T code. It is not my T code. It is a SAP given standard T code. It is a standard one. OMS2 is the SAP given T code. Clear?
Yes.
Now, and we also have the path. What is that? We also have the path. PATH path. What is a path? Let me show you the path here. So OMS2, this is the path. Okay.
Yes.
This is the path. SPRO, IMG, Logistic General, Master Material, Basic Material Types. This one. See here. If you do in sense, you can also see here. Logistic General is common, right? Under that, Material Master is also common now, right? Under that, what are the basics? I have to click on it. What is that? I should click on basic settings.
Field selection,
right?
press basic.
Correct. basic settings is, then after that, what is here? Material types is there, right? Material
Yes.
types. See here, material type is there or not? Yes, we have the material types. After material types, what is that?
Material types. Define attributes of material types.
Where is it?
Attribute.
Material types. Yeah. Here, define attributes of the material types. Where is this one? This is here. Define attributes of a material type. So click on this one. Okay. Or else you can directly use the T code. I have already told you. T code is OMS2. Okay. So remember here, okay, we have different material types in the SAP system. Getting my point? We have the different types of material types in the SAP system. What are they in sense? Like raw material. What is that? Raw material. For raw material in our SAP system, they have given as a standard one shortcut, that is ROH. It is indicated by the ROH. Getting my point? Raw material. See, in the same way, we have some other here. See this one. We have raw material. Yes or no? In the same way, we also have the returnable package, right? For returnable package, the shortcut is LEIH. Yes or no? Finished goods. So it is FERT. Getting my point? For semi-finished goods, it is HALB. For trade goods, it is HAWA. Package material, VERP. In the same way, almost like we have 37 standard things, standard material types. How many we having? Like 37. No need to remember that many, but at least you need to remember 5 to 6. At least ROH, very important one. And at least finished goods. And at least semi-finished goods. At least 3 to 4 to 5 are important for us. Okay. Because in interview they may ask you what are the material types, so that you should answer that, okay, ROH, finished, semi-finished, like this. Clear? Now let us do for one material type. What is that? I'm not doing I am not doing for all the 37 material types. Okay. Okay, I will show you how to do for one material type. Okay, one hour I'll try to show you around 5 material types, but now one is enough for now. We will do it for the ROH. Okay, we will do it for now ROH. How to do that one? So SAP system event, right here, right now. First steps. First one, click on the position. What is that? What is that? Click on the position. Yes or no? So after coming to this page, you need to click on the position. Okay. Now second one.
Material type.
Enter the
Material
Type.
type.
material.
Type.
What is our material type? ROH.
ROH.
H.
Okay. Third
Yes.
one. So So let me provide here ROH. Okay. Now press enter. Next step is PRE. Press enter. Okay.
Yes.
Fourth step. So it will show you. This one is your show. It will show you. Getting my point? When you selected, position is nothing but it is just like selecting position. Take the position. So ROH is our position. I taken, right? So now
Yes.
select this checkbox. What is that? You need to select
Check
this
Checkbox.
checkbox. Select this checkbox. Okay. Here, select the checked box
Box.
of which one? ROH. Yes or no?
Yes.
Fifth
Yes, sir.
one. You should select the checkbox of ROH. Right? Next. After that, you should click on copy as. What is that? You should click on
Copy.
Copy. Yes.
you should click on copy as.
Club is not viewing, sir.
Huh? Click on
Toolbar தெரியுமா sir? The toolbar is not
copy.
visible, sir.
What is that?
Toolbars are not visible, sir. Toolbar.
Now it is okay.
Position.
This
Position.
one. Click on
Copy.
copy
It's
as.
not visible. It's not visible.
Not visible.
Yes. Drag down, sir.
Okay. Wait a minute.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. So
Okay.
Okay,
you
sir.
should click on this copy as. This one. Okay.
Copy.
Okay.
This one. Right. Anyway, I'm writing the steps also. Don't need to worry. Okay. Click on the copy as.
Okay.
Now you need to click on this copy as. So it is copying. Okay. Why I'm
Yes.
doing copy in sense, it means that you should not, yes or no, you should not disturb the original one. What is that? Original
What is
one. Original one is nothing but ROH is my original one. Yes or no? So just
Yes.
you are copying that original one. And what you are doing, instead of ROH, you are changing now. See here, material type ROH is there, right? ROH is the material type.
Type.
You need to change that one, right? So here, change this one. You can give 4 digits here. What is that? You can give this.
Four.
What is your company code?
Company coding.
Pick
Are
one.
you?
Audio.
Is it now?
Which one? Which company code, sir? Our
Last
company.
time I created for you, right?
Pick one.
What is
One.
my what is the company? Huh?
Pick one.
Pick one.
What is your company code?
Tick one.
Our company.
Tick
Tick
one.
one, right?
Yes.
So
Yes.
TIK one I am giving here. Okay. I can give anything, but it should be the 4 digits only, right? So I'm also changing this one. TIK one, and it is my raw material. Yes or no? It is a raw material. Tick one is my company code. Just for to understand my purpose, I have written as this one, right? And
Okay.
so don't do anything here, okay? Don't do any changes, okay? It is everything fine here. And okay, no need to do anything. Just press enter. What is that?
Enter.
Press enter.
Enter.
Next one, 8 point is PRE, press enter. Okay. Then it is saying something, number of dependent is copied with the 495. Again you press enter. Okay. Now it is copied here. You can see what is your material type now.
Tick
Now
1.
click on
Tick 1.
save. Yes.
Hmm.
Press enter. Everything is done, and click on save.
Save.
Now finally, my question is, what is your material type?
Right.
What is your material type?
ROH.
ROH.
Wrong.
Tick 1. Tick 1.
Tick 1. Tick 1 is your material, right? Tick
Very
1
good.
is your material. ROH is the standard one, which has given by the SAP. Was given by the SAP. We copied it, right? So,
Yes.
your material type is tick 1. Getting my point? Your material type is tick 1. Now, after this is done, okay, again you select and click on quantity value update. Because why? In sense, it is a material, right? So material quantity can be updated. So I need 10 pens. Quantity, how many means 10. So, and value also, what is the cost of 10 pens? So that's the reason to update those things. I need to click on this quantity and value updating. Okay, so for
Okay.
tick 1, select this checkbox and click on the quantity value update.
Okay.
11th one, click on the quantity and value. Okay, value updating. Okay, 12th
Okay.
one, what you should do in sense, once you clicked on it, click again on a position. Click on a position. You need to click on
Position.
position. Okay, 13th one. Now you should provide here the valuation as tick 1.
Tick.
It is nothing but the company code. What is that?
Company code.
Valuation area is nothing but is equal to your company code.
Code.
Okay, so
Okay.
14th one. Next one is after tick. What is your material type? Just now I told it is tick 1 and
And
press enter. Okay, press enter. What is that? Valuation area, and we provided the material type. Okay, what is your material type? Tick 1.
One.
Okay, fifteenth one. So you need to click the check boxes. What is that? Check box.
Box.
16th one. Right. Just you need to save. See here. So your valuation is
tick 1.
tick 1. What is your valuation area?
Um,
PPP1.
No, it is not that one. It is a. It should be tick 1.
Yes.
Sir, no.
Yes.
It should be tick 1. See, come down.
Durga. Value area means.
Kedam tick 1 and zero.
Oh.
I told you valuation. Your valuation area is nothing but tick 1.
Tick
It should
1.
be there,
Ah.
and it should be there tick 1 only. Both. But I don't know, some problem is there. You need to just select these two check boxes because we are updating the quantity. We are updating the value, and click
Value.
on save.
Complaint done.
Okay, it is done, already done, and this is done. This is done. So we finished with the second step. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
On the
Click on the save.
that is done. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now what is your step 3?
Number
What
range
is your
for
step 3? It is
number range for the material.
No range for the material.
Number range for the material.
number range. Sorry, number range. Don't say no. It is number range. We are giving the range, but you are saying no range.
Yeah,
It is
sir.
a number
I
range.
said in short form, sir.
Okay. T code is MMNR.
The range for the material.
Okay. So what I am doing here, slash n I'm directly here. I'm using the T code MMNR.
Range.
Number range.
So once you got MMNR here,
Yes, sir.
click on group this one.
Okay.
This is the display, but we should click on the group maintain. Okay,
Okay, sir.
highlight one, this one. Okay,
Yes, sir.
click on this. First step is
Click on the groups.
click on the GROUPS group.
Maintain.
Okay,
Yeah.
first step. Second step is after clicking on this, okay,
Okay.
go to more, group or insert F6. Okay, you should go to more, group, insert, or you can
Insert.
directly press F6. Getting my point? Two steps.
Yes.
What else? Go to more. Yes or no? Then
Yes.
group. Then
F.
insert. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Insert.
Or press
Six.
F6. Yes or no? Third step.
Yes.
Now insert. Okay. So here you need to provide your range. What is that? Insert group, your group name. Insert GROUP group name. So what is my group name? I will write it as TIC1. Okay. TIC1 group I'll write. What is that? I'll write as a TIC1 group. Here TIK1 group. TIC1 group. Right. Next one, I should give the number ranges. What is that? Next one, I should give the number ranges. Fourth one, provide the from and to number ranges. Yes or no? From and to. Just like movie tickets says, right? A, in every flight tickets are in A 0 to 9, B 0 to 6, C something, right? If you go in train tickets also, A 1 to 72, right? Seat number, bogie number, like this, and flight tickets. So the same way here also, from and to. So the same way, I am selecting one number range. Again here also you need to see that the number range that what you are providing, the number range that what you need to provide is sorry, should not be used by someone else. Means if someone is booking, you cannot book that one. So you should select the number range which is not existing. It should not overlap. What is that? It should not overlap. So here the last number is this one, even though this is also there, but I am taking this is my last number. Okay, so I am copying here. Okay, from number is this one. Okay, 2 here instead of 60 I am giving only small difference, means small change. I don't want to give 1 to 1 lakh like that. I want to give a small gap, so I'm using only 60 to 80. 60 to 80.
80.
So I can use 20 material types, 20 material. It is enough, because how many you create? You create 1 or 2. After that, you will leave that one, right?
Yes.
If you are using long number ranges, it will be occupied by you, and it will be waste, because hardly you are using 1 or 2 material. After that, you don't use it, and you are occupying it, such that next batch people I cannot tell them. I should search for the number again. So that's the reason we give you very small number ranges here in a learning purpose. But in real time, you can give you the very large number, because they want to do the business for 10 years or 20 years. So that time we can give 1 to 1 lakh, 1 lakh to 2 lakhs, 2 lakhs to 3 lakhs. Like that you can give you in the real time. But here, for just learning purpose, we can give you very less number range. So I'm giving 60 to 80. Okay.
80.
Now let
Yeah.
me press enter. Okay. Press enter here. So See here, what it is saying, intervals without overlap means I have taken the number which is overlapping, which is means this number range is being used by someone else. So I'll do small change here, 61. Okay, and I'll try to press enter. It has taken.
Yes.
Taken, right? So my number
Yes.
range starts from not 60, it starts from 61. And it ends at the 80. It ends at 80. Clear? So if I can search here, click on save here now. Okay, I'm just clicking on saving. So after my number range is done, I'm just click on save. Okay. Now to check my number range is done or not, I can go and search this one. See here, I'm highlighting this one. This is the search. Yes or no? Find, or else control F. We can use control F to search.
To find.
Use find or CTRL plus F something, right? So like this. So control F. And what is your that name number range? Tick 1. So let
Tick
me
1.
search tick 1. Is there or not? If you see
Yes.
here, what you observed, tick
Raw
1
materials?
is the raw material, and tick 1 group.
Yeah.
You understanding? This is the raw material and this is the group. That is the group and this is the raw material. So let me select this one. Okay, here it is, this one. Okay, and my group is this one, right? So what I am doing here in sense, 7th one, I am bringing the ROH, yes or no? ROH raw material, yes or no? What is my ROH material for you?
Tick 1.
Tick 1.
Yes, it is tick 1.
Tick
Yes or no?
1.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is my group name?
Tick
What is
1
my
group.
group name? Tick 1 only. Yes or no? Tick
Yes,
1.
sir. In raw materials, tick 1. Yeah.
Yes or no? I have given here. You can see. Yeah, tick 1 group I have given. Yes or no? My name is tick 1 group. Tick 1 group. Now, what I am doing here in sense, this one, yes or no? This tick 1, I am material I am bringing under this group. You understanding my point here?
Sorry, sir.
Group, I am bringing the raw material. I am bringing this one. So how to bring now? 9th one. How to bring?
Control plus A.
How to bring? I selected just the raw material. Sorry. I selected both, right? Raw material and tick 1, and click on my element group. See here. After clicking, you can see here. I brought this one.
Yes.
Can you able to see this one?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Tick 1 group.
Yes or no? Under this group, this is the group. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah.
This is the group. What is this one? This is the material. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Material type. Yes or no?
Material types.
It is one of my material type. Yes or no? One of my material types. Which material type it is? It
Raw
is
material.
ROH material. Yes or no?
Yes.
If tomorrow, if I create another material type, like finished material type or semi-finished type material also, same way, yes or no, I should bring those things also under this tick group, under this group name, Getting my point? Under this group name. Yes. Cancel. And I clicked on it. So I'm writing as 10th one. Click on the material group. Yes or no?
Yes.
11th one. And now click on save. Clear? So go ahead and you click on save. It is done. Okay,
Okay.
this is done. So
Okay.
my third step is also done. Yes or no?
Yes.
And we are left with the final step. What is my final step? That is material group creation. This one. OMS? Yeah.
Material group. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
OMSF is my material group. So I'm taking this T code directly. I will also provide you path if I want. If you want, see here. Okay, let me go here. Go here. Yeah, this one. Let me provide you that one also. Okay. This is my path. Yes or no? Next, what I should do? I should click on the new entry. I should go to OMSF. See here. I'm going /n OMSF. Control N. Sorry, enter. Right here, I should click on new entry. What is my material group? I'm giving tick one only, and I'm writing as tick one material group.
Group.
Just a material group. I can give raw material also. I can just giving some name. It is only material group. I saved it. Okay, it is done. Just one step only. Click save. Okay, click on new enter. Right. Second point. Material group. Yes or no? Material group and some description. Yes or no? Description. And after that, fourth point is click on save button. Clear? This is also done. Successfully, we completed all our 4 steps. Clear? All our 4 steps is done or not? Okay.
See.
Download material master. Yes or no?
Data.
Material
Yes.
master data configuration. I'm writing. Save. Okay. Now what I told you here, after this 4th step, I have told you something. What? After material is configured, see here. After configuration is done, SAP MM end user will use this one. Yes or no? You
Yes.
should use material. Now let us go that end user. Please listen carefully here. It will take another 5 minutes. And
Okay.
Okay, sir.
interesting also now. Just interesting. So MM01 is our material
Man.
creation here. Creation of material. Okay. What is
Okay.
that? Material.
Okay.
So this we call it as a end user transactions. End user will use it now. Okay. So I configured it and I'm giving to the end user. So end user is creating material. How he is creating means using this MM01. So he will go to this SAP machine, Control N, and he will type as MM01. Right. So here, what is our industry sector? Anyone remember industry sector?
Tick one.
Huh?
This is a tick one.
See here, how I'll do. What is our first point? See here, industry sector is first one what we created. So come down. What I have given industry sector? See here, what is your industry sector?
Two.
Getting my point? This is your
Yes, sir. Yeah.
sector. So I should use 2 here. I should select the 2. Yes or no? First
Yes.
one is done. What is my material type now?
Tick 1.
Material type.
Raw material. Tick 1.
So here you see second point. Second point is material type. What I
Yes.
created here, you can see. This is 2. For
Two.
OMS 2, what I have given? I have given
One.
as
Tick
Tick
1.
tick 1
one.
raw material, right? ROH material.
Yes.
Do you remember? Tick 1 only I have
Yes.
given. If you want, you can check down,
Okay,
come
sir.
down. So OMS 2, what is that I have given? I told you number of times. So what is this? Here you can see. What is
Tick
your
1.
material type? I told you, right?
Yes.
This is your second one. Clear?
Yes.
Right. Now you should write it as tick 1. Did you got tick 1? Yes.
Yes.
Here it is tick 1. Select this one. Okay. So provide this and provide this.
Okay.
Okay. Next, you should
Okay.
click on organizational level. What is that? You should click on this organizational level. So what is my plant? Tick 1.
Tick one.
If my plant is correct, it is okay. Otherwise, it will show me failure for me, right? I don't know,
Okay.
because if I created very well, it should work. So plant, but tick 1 is not there. What is my plant?
Uh,
Plant and run.
I
plant,
should
I
know
think.
the plant correctly. Otherwise, I can't do anything.
ARU1.
Huh?
ARU1.
ARU1. ARU1. Awesome. Let me try this. Correct. Correct.
Correct.
Yes.
ARU1 is your plant. So now you see what is our number range stored one. What is our number range? Do you remember?
61.
Huh?
61. 61.
See here. I'm writing as plant as ARU1. Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Such that next time I should not forget. Okay. What is our number range number? You see me here. What is my number range?
61.
The same
Two
number
eight.
range you got.
Yes,
The
sir.
same number
61.
range. 11102061. Same number. So
Yes.
it should be like this. You should cross check like that. Okay. Now you can write what is this material I'm purchasing. So write it as
Plastic.
Plastic.
anything, plastic, iron, steel, or pen, something else, right?
Okay.
So I'm writing as ARU1 for just a reference. Okay. And tick 1 also. For anything I can give you, but for my remembrance. So what is my measure? If I'm purchasing a plastic, I need to measure it, right? If I'm purchasing water, I'll tell liters. If I'm purchasing some bananas, I'll set dozens, right? If I'm purchasing some set, so I'll set. So here I'm giving us some kgs. So what is my material group? Just now I created my material group. What is the material group I created? Last one. Do you remember?
Tick.
Here,
Tick
what is
1.
my group material group I created?
Tick 1.
Yes, material group is also my
Tick
tick 1
1.
only. Did you remember? No. So TIK 1 I'm giving. Now press enter.
Yes.
Okay. Press enter. Press enter. Okay. Again, here in purchasing, we should give the purchasing group also. Purchasing group is ARU. Okay.
Okay.
Which I remember. This
Purchasing group. Purchasing group is 1 minute, sir. ARU. Yes, ARU.
ARU, right?
Yes,
So
yes.
this purchasing group will come from our ER structure. ER structure. That's the reason I told you in ER structure. See here now. If I go down, I show you proof. See here. Plan, storage, purchase group, purchase this one. So purchase group I'm getting from here. Or purchase organization. Right? So I
Yes.
provided this one. And now I'm providing press enter. Now enter. Right? So
Yes.
test something, enter. Enter. Just enter. So it is asking me for some standard price. So moving price and standard price. I'm giving some value as 10. Any value I'm giving, for example now. enter, enter. Yes, final stage it is. This is the final one.
Yes.
Click on yes. Click on yes. Finally, our material is created. See here. Your successfully it is a material is
Created.
created. Or no?
Yes.
Your material creation is done. Right? Your material creation is done. What is the number? This is the number.
MM01.
MM01.
Oh, it is the T code. This is your material number.
Material number is 860, sir.
61.
61.
61.
Triple
Okay, this
zero.
is your material number,
Material number.
which is of plastic type. Yes or no? Plastic
Yes, sir.
material.
Yes, sir.
Here, then we can also use MM02 to change the, if you
Material
want
number.
to change, means imagine something you want to change or update, or else you did some mistake. Yes or no? Some mistake happens, so you should go to MM02 and click on it and provide that material number here and click on enter. So you think that, oh no, I want to change, instead of plastic, let me change as Arun ice creams. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes.
So now click on save.
Okay.
It is saved. See here, material is 2 is changed. MM02. Yes or no?
Yes,
Next,
sir.
slash and MM03 is for just to display. What is that? To display.
Display.
Again, the same number I need to give it there and click on enter. So what is that? It is showing only ice cream. Means it is just to display. What is that? MM03 is to display, or we can call it as just to view. Means no changes can be done here. No changes. Changes can be done only by MM02. Getting my point?
Yes,
sir.
Next, MM04. We'll also have MM04 slash and MM04.
Good.
So MM4 is display changes. See here now, display changes.
Yes.
MM04 is to
Display change.
display
Changes.
changes, means whatever the changes you have done, those display. So MM10 and MM02, right? So click on this and you can see here now. Earlier it was plastic, old value is plastic, and new value is ice cream.
I see.
It is showing you what is the difference, changes. So only it is displaying that one. This is one. Clear?
Okay. Okay.
And I think slash and MM06 also we are having, but we don't use this one. Okay, na? MM06 is for the MM06 is for the deletion. What is that?
Deletion.
Deletion material. Okay, and we'll also have, we don't use this one, don't worry. MM07. Okay, fine. Let me show you another 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, see here, MM046, and to display the list of all materials. What is that? To display the list of all materials. You're getting my point? List. How many material types we created now?
One.
Only one. Yes or no?
Yes.
Only MM.
One.
I mean, only one we created.
Yes.
So execute. If you created 10 material types, so it will show you all the list here. It will show you all the list here. So what is my plant here? It is
ARU1.
ARU1, right? So click on it. It is showing you, yeah, material is this one. It is stored under this plant. Yes or no? Valuation type, material description, last change. It means just now we changed it, right? I mean, last change, M type, material type, tick one, material group, unit, pages we have given. Did you remember? This is
Yes.
purchasing group. So whatever we have given the information, it is logged by SAP user. I mean, I logged in with SAP user. The price also I have given. S is a standard one.
Yes.
Whatever we provided, it is showing me here,
Yes.
right? Is
Yes.
it done?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Material should be created. Material means it should be configured and as well as end user. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Pen. Okay,
Okay, sir.
2 minutes. Finally, what is that?
Thank.
Thank you.
Okay,
Sunshine Technologies.
I'm Chintek.
okay.
Okay.
Sir,
Uh, yes, madam.
tell me,
Okay.
sir.
No.
Now I'll stop doing recording.
Okay, sir.
Right.
Master data finished, sir.
Yes, master data is finished.
Okay.
Finished.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
எனக்கு அந்த VM சாஃப்ட்வேர் லோட் ஆக மாட்டேங்குது சார். ஏதோ பாஸ்வேர்டு கேக்குது.
Okay, share your desktop now. 1 second. I'm just stopping it. I don't know
Go
what's
to it.
going on. Okay, this should be there.